In my previous videos, we have understood requirements and documentation, but in real projects, just writing requirements is not enough. Stakeholders, developers, and testers need a visual understanding of the system. That's where diagrams comes in. Diagrams simplify complex processes and make communication easier. So in this section, we'll understand different types of diagrams used by business analysts and also basics UI UX concepts. Now let's understand the different types of diagrams used by business analysts. First, process flow diagram. This shows the step-by-step flow of a process from start to end. It helps in understanding how a business process works. Second is data flow diagram or DFD. This shows how data moves through the system. It answers where data comes from, how it is processed, where it is stored. Third is Swimlane diagram. This is an extension of process flow, but here we also show who is responsible for each step. Each lane represents a role or department. Fourth comes use case diagram. This shows interaction between users, actors, and the system. It helps define system scope clearly. Finally, ER diagram. This is used for database design. It shows how different data entitles are related. So overall, process flow just explains steps. DFD is data movement. Swim lane is responsibility. Use case is interaction. ER is data structure. Now let's go deeper into process flow diagrams. These diagrams use standard symbol. Start and end are shown using oval shape. Processes are shown using rectangles. Decisions are showing using diamond shapes. Let's make a simple example as user login. First, user enters credential. Then system checks are credentials valid. If yes, access is granted. If no, error message shown. This type of diagram helps everyone understand the logic clearly. It is especially useful for developers and testers. Now let's understand UI UX concepts. This is very important for modern business analysts. First, wireframe. This is a simple sketch of the screen layout. It shows where elements like buttons, text, and images will be placed. No colors or styling, just a structure. Second is mockup. This is a high fidelity design. It shows actual colors, fonts, and visual appearance. It helps stakeholders visualize the final product. Third is prototype. This is an interactive version where user can click and navigate just like a real application. This helps identify missing requirements early. Next, user flow. This shows the steps a user takes to complete a task. For example, from login to browse, browse to add to cart to checkout. Then next is journey map. This goes beyond system flow. It captures user emotions, pain points, and experience. And finally, responsive design. This ensures the application works on mobile, tablet, and desktop. As a business analyst, you must specify how UI adapts to different screens. So UI UX is not just a design, it is about user experience and usability.